Welcome to Animals Kids channel.
Today, I'm creating a video about farm animals, in which we will tell you about animals, and also tell you the names of animals. This video will be very good for children's education. We will meet all kinds of farm animal. All toys, animals are magical, and come to life, let's start. A cow is a large farm animal that is kept for milk, meat, and sometimes for work. Female cows are called cow, male are called bull, and baby are called calves. That lives in fields and gives us milk. Cows are herbivores, which means they eat only plants, like grass and hay. A sheep is a farm animal known for its thick, fluffy wool and gentle nature. Sheep live in groups and are raised mostly for their wool, milk, and meat. Some sheep have horns and they can be curled or straight. Sheep can be white, black, brown, or spotted. Baby sheep is called a lamb. Mother sheep is called a ewe. Father sheep is called a ram. A goat is a farm animal known for being curious, playful, and great at climbing. Goats are raised for their milk, meat, and sometimes even as pets. Horns. Both males and females can have them. A baby goat is called a kid. A mother goat is called a doe or nanny. A father goat is called a buck or billy. Pig are one of the smartest animals on the farm. Pig big round body, a short curly tail, and a cute snout that's nose. Pig are known for their oinks, their love of mud, and their playful nature. A baby pig is called a piglet. Pig can run faster, up to 11 miles, 18 kilometers per hour. Horse come in many colors like brown, black, white, gray, and spotted. A baby horse is called a foal. Horse are very intelligent and can remember people and places. Horse can sleep standing up. Horse teeth never stop growing. Roosters are known for their bright feathers, loud crowing, and protective behavior. They live on farms and help guard the hens, female chickens. Bright colors like red, gold, green, black, and white comb. The red crown on top of their head. Wattles. The red flaps of skin under their beak. A chicken is a farm bird that lays eggs and gives us tasty meat. Chickens are one of the most common animals on farms all around the world. A baby chicken is called a chick. A girl chicken is called a hen. A boy chicken is called a rooster. Chicks are baby chicken. They're tiny, fluffy, and super cute. When they hatch from eggs, they start their big adventure growing up into hen or rooster. Chicks are covered in soft down feather that help keep them warm. They hatch from eggs after being kept warm by their mom, a hen, for 21 days. A turkey is a large bird that lives on farms and in the wild. Turkeys are known for their big round bodies, fan-shaped tails, and the funny gobble-gobble sound they make. A dog is a mammal and one of the most popular pets in the world. Dogs are known for being loyal, loving, and smart. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Dogs have amazing noses. They can smell things 100,000 times better than humans. A dog's sense of hearing is also super strong. A duck is a bird that loves water. Ducks are found on farms, in ponds, lakes, and even parks. Ducks can swim, waddle, and even fly. Female ducks quack the loudest. Quack, quack. Male ducks are usually quieter and make softer sounds. Rabbits are soft, hoppy animals with big ears and fluffy tails. They are gentle and playful and super fun to watch. Rabbit have long ears that help them hear really well. They love to hop around using their strong back legs. Rabbit have a tiny, round, cotton ball tail. A donkey is a farm animal that looks a bit like a small horse. Donkeys are strong, gentle, and very good at carrying heavy loads. People have used donkeys for thousands of years to help with work, travel, and farming. Donkeys are herbivores, which means they eat plants only. Grass, hay, straw, sometimes fruits and vegetables. Cats are friendly, popular pets, known for their playful nature and unique characteristics. They come in many breeds, colors, and sizes, and are often known for their ability to jump high and land on their feet. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.